Hi everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are starting a new series of videos on FLL gears. We are going to be doing bevel gears, conical gears, and spur gears.
Hi, I'm Ria from the Iron Robots FLL team. Today I'll be talking about conical gears and bevel gears. Conical gears, also called single bevel gears, are useful for their half-beam width. These gears only have teeth on one side, so instead of connecting on the same plane, or straight, they connect perpendicularly, like so. Double bevel gears are most commonly used, and they have features of both other gear types, regular and conical. Like regular gears, these gears can both connect on the same plane and also perpendicularly or transversely. Double bevel gears are sometimes better to use than regular gears since their teeth are stronger and more reinforced. Double bevel gears can also connect with single bevel gears, like this. And, like I said before, they can also connect on the same plane, like this.
Now, let's see the bevel gear in action. Alright, I'm going to use the motor, which you can't see right now, but it's inside the robot, to turn the bottom gear that I showed you earlier in order to move this attachment. Here we are. And you can see that the cream color gear is turning, as well as the bottom gear.
Now that you've watched our bevel gears video, stay tuned for more and remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.